Morning students, hope you all are well and you are enjoying the studies in this new way. Today I want to start your chapter 14 of English language grammar book, that is time and tense. But before we start the chapter we must know something. That's why it is an introduction class on time and tense. The tense and time depends on the verb. The form of the verb tells us in which time the work was done and what is the tense. So, a verb is a word or a group of words that denotes an action of some kind. For example, Ram plays, they played, Rita sings, he sang. See, Ram plays, that means he plays, he always plays. Not for the whole day, but regularly he plays, we can say. They played means the work was done, it was completed. Maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, it was done. Rita sings means every day she sings for practice or she learns singing. But he sang means it was done, the song was done. The same verb may have different forms. See, plays and played are different forms. Sing, sang, both are singing, but both are, that forms are different. Same as see, the same verb have different forms, like number A, Ram plays football. They play with Ram. Ram played yesterday also. So plays, play and played, this work is same, playing, but the forms are different. Going to the next point, there are some verbs which tell us how or what a person, thing or place is. Some such verbs are am, is, are, was, were. We use these helping verbs. These are called auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. These verbs we use to express about a person. Like I am a student. Am is very essential here. Am is working as a verb. It is a verb. Delhi is the capital of India. She was ill. See, am is showing now. Still now it is going on. But was is the, it was worked. She was ill, but now she is not ill. So these things tell us about the tense, about the time, that this work is going on still now, but was is not going. It was stopped. The work was over. One of the things that the form of a verb tell us in is the time when the action it denotes took place, the present or the past. Ram plays football. They play with Ram. Ram played yesterday. In sentences A and B above, plays and play refer to action done now or at present. So plays and play, this is presenting that the action is happening now. The verb plays and play are therefore said to be in the present tense. So play and plays, we can say that these are present tense. In sentences C number C sentence, it is written Ram played yesterday. Played refers to an action that was done yesterday or in past. So two forms we get, that is present and past. And the verbs are used in two ways. One is present and is past. So the tense of a verb shows the time when something happens or happened. Rita eats rice every day. That means the work she does every day. So it is a present tense, simple present tense. Rita ate fried rice yesterday. Ate yesterday, the work was done, completed. So it is in past tense. Dog barks. So every day dog barks, the sound of the dog is barking only. The dog barked last night. The dog barked last night, that means it was done. Last night it was over. The work was over. Different verb form the past tense in different ways. So verbs form the past tense but in different ways. By adding d or ed, we can change the verb by adding d or ed. Like, liked. Like means present, liked means past. Look, present, looked, past. Show, present, showed, past. By adding ed and doubling the last letter, fan, fanned. See, fan, we are putting FANNED, fanned. Hop, hopped. The last letter N is doubled, P is doubled, and added ed also. Sometimes by dropping Y, we can add IED over there. Like cry, cried. Try, tried. By changing its form in another way, stand, stood, sailed, sold, fly, flew. For this reason, you have to learn some verb, the chart of a verb. So here I have given a chart. You have to read this one and how it is changing the forms. See, it is written forming past and past participle form. So present form, past form and past participle form. Reach, reached, reached. Work, worked, worked. Wash, washed, washed. Like this you have to read. Okay. This chart I will give in the PDF and you will learn it because it is very important. Otherwise the tense you can't do. You can't change the tenses if you will not learn this one. So this one is very important. So sometimes you will see that it is not changing its system also. It's like bed, 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 bead, 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 cast, 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 cut, cut, cut. These things will not change. But sometimes it is changing. See, creep, crept, crept. So past and past participle form is same. Creep, present form is different, but crept, crept. Past and past participle form is same. Think, thought, thought, leave, left, left. Like this. But sometimes we have the three different forms like bite, bit, bitten, hide, hid, hidden, blow, blew, blown, fly, flew, flown. Like this we have. It is changing. So this thing you have to learn. Otherwise it is impossible to remember when you are doing. So for this, in this holiday I have given you this one to read this thing. Hope you will do this and hope you understood. So in next session after the vacation we will start our 10th class. So before that you have to learn this. Please learn. Otherwise you will unable to answer the questions. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice time and have a nice vacation also.